Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a marvel. To create something truly extraordinary, you must first cultivate an audacious and singular vision. This isn't just a fleeting thought, but a deeply held concept that ignites your passion. It's about seeing beyond the ordinary and imagining what could be, a unique idea that sets the entire process in motion. This initial spark is the foundational element, guiding every subsequent step with purpose and clarity. Next, you must infuse your vision with unwavering dedication. This means committing fully, often investing thousands of hours, perhaps even 10,000, into its meticulous development. There will be obstacles, but your persistent effort and refusal to yield are what truly shape the marvel. It's this relentless pursuit of excellence day after day that transforms a simple concept into a tangible, awe-inspiring reality. The third crucial step involves meticulous craftsmanship. This means paying extraordinary attention to every single detail, no matter how small. Each component must be carefully considered, refined, and perfected to the highest possible standard. It's about striving for a level of quality that is truly exceptional, ensuring that the final product is not just good, but truly outstanding in every aspect. This dedication to precision elevates it to a marvel. Finally, a true marvel must achieve profound resonance. It needs to connect deeply with people, evoking strong emotions and leaving an indelible mark on their hearts and minds. Its impact should extend far beyond its initial creation, inspiring awe and wonder for generations. When your creation moves others, sparking imagination and wonder, you have truly succeeded in making a marvel, an enduring testament to your vision and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.